Hey, what's up guys? It's Chuck from Brady Adventures, and I just wanted to drop a video and let you know that I'm still out here. I haven't posted anything in the last 6 or 7 months due to a bunch of different personal and professional obligations that I've had to meet. But it looks like I'm gonna start producing things again. I've got an enormous amount of material from the last year or two. We have all kinds of things coming up, including modifications to the Land Cruiser's electrical system, our roof rack, and lots of individual camping gear that have made our lives a lot easier. So keep an eye out for that stuff. If there's anything in particular that you're interested in, that you've seen on my rig or you've heard me talk about, please let me know in the comments below and I'll be sure to make those a priority. I want to thank all of our subscribers that have stuck around, and especially those that checked in to make sure I was doing okay. We're doing great, and you're going to see lots of new content from us in the future. If you enjoy our videos, please give us a thumbs up and consider subscribing to our channel, and I look forward to getting back at it and seeing you guys in the near future. Thanks a lot.
If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up and consider subscribing to our channel. And always feel free to leave us any comments or questions that you might have.